Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. So today I'm gonna present the article that written by Dias Andis Susanto, Masinto Octavia, and Rina Triastuti Berusebri. The article is about student understanding unspoken discourse in the context of English language teaching ELT at university. By me, Muamar Razian. So the first one is the background of study. So this background of study is explained about discourse analysis. Is the study of how structures of language used in communication as meaning, purpose, and unity for main user. The Quality of Coherence by Johnson, 1998. Discourse analysis as one of subject reason at the English education study program in which is difficult to teach in domain English language teaching. So the next one is the research question. So my research question: how do students understand the spoken discourse word on its definition, example, and application in their context of ELT? So this is my purpose of study. So the purpose of study is really important, and the purpose study to describe student competence of spoken discourse in ELT context, focusing on their understanding of definition, example, and application. So this is my professional study on discourse analysis, study on ELT. So these two kind is very important. So the first one is the theories that speaker vision and attitude through discrete expression show that the speaker use various types of things, including person, place, and time is. For study on ELT, Mujianto declares that the comprehensibility of readable English text and their back translations presents the result of a study initiated by the potential employment of readability measures. So the next one is theoretical concept. Theoretical concept is really important in this research because that have three important points. The first one is discourse, of course. Discourse is a form of language used which include the functional aspects of a communicative event. And the second one is spoken language. In spoken language, teacher can help their student focus on particular grammatical structures in natural speech and observe what is actually said, might or may not confirm the prescribed rules. And the third one is defining language. A traditional way of defining language used apply in language teaching is spoken versus writing by Victory and Carter, 2014. Okay, next. So the next one is research design. The research design that have four important points. The first one is research method, qualitative, described using the research tool atlas. And the second one, source of data, we PGRI Semarang, 30 people, 7 grade semester. And the third one, data collection techniques, interview and questionnaire. And the last one is data collection method, setting up the idea interview recording. Okay, and this is the research design tool. This is data analysis that have the first one, collecting the data. Number two is the documentation. Number three, classification, and the number four, interpretations. Okay, the next one is the result and discussion. Atlas gives students understanding on definition of spoken discourse. Okay. So this is have like the result and discussion. All this time is really important in this article because all of these kinds is like giving understanding on definition of spoken discourse itself. So this is really important. So the first one is an interface speech between two or more people which is abroad, and the others two have the same understanding on definition of spoken discourse. And the next one. This is the result of discussion again that have examples. So for the examples that have 4 important points that I found in my article. So number 1 is turn taking and the weather is alright, something like that. So this is like just explain about and giving the examples. Okay, and this is the applying. So in every article that we found, that is really important to that we understand what is applying about. So this is that have like 8 applying here. So this is really important too. So, students have different perspectives toward the spoken discourse analysis, definition, example, and application on it. They argue differently about some definition of spoken discourse. And in applying spoken discourse, students implement it in introducing spoken discourse, market that help them in delivering a spoken message as participants of hearers. So the last one is like my conclusion. So in this conclusion, from the students' perspective towards spoken discourse about the definitions, examples, and implication, they must answer as they know as attending and giving attention on the discourse classroom. So, like I said, that is really important that when we like review some article, that's really important to know all the points and important points at here in the articles. Okay, thank you so much. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much for your guys' nice attention. Hope you guys like and enjoy my presentation about this PowerPoint. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.